Aisha D'Souza and I am in class 6. I am very excited for this new academic year as there will be many indoor and outdoor activities. I know my teachers will support me and help me to what I want to become. Thank you.
The theme for today's program is Champions of Change.
I am really very excited for this new academic year.
So how are you all? You are happy? You are excited? Okay, are you all excited, children, to learn new things this year?
I am in 8th standard. I have joined this school from 2nd standard. This school gives me lots of opportunities like music and games. I am looking forward to excel in every field, and this new management will definitely lift me up. I can see positive changes in this school.
Hello everyone! Guys, do you know there was a time when people used to study under the tree? Oh really? So do you think that we are going to study under the tree this year?
Not of us, it's not like that.
We are going to have exciting things this year. So keep watching our